Okay, here we go. Pulled up. Fueled up. Got ourselves ready to go. So far, the journey has been quite good. For those who don't know, I'm riding a 2010 Kawasaki Concours. It's a sports tour, their largest sports tour, based off of their Ninja ZX14. This is an inline 4 motorcycle, 1400cc size engine. It's a little long in the tooth. I think 2022 is the last year they will make this motorcycle. But I just got this thing about 3 months ago, and man, coming from what bike I used to have a Suzuki 2003 GSX-F, not a Gixxer, the Katana, which was like a watered-down Gixxer, but it was a 600, nevertheless. And although that thing was quick, I'm a big guy. I weigh roughly 270, 275. And although that bike was quick, me keeping up with bigger bikes, I was forced to drop gears, go to lower gears as I was hitting hills and trying to keep up with faster accelerating bikes. Nevertheless, I was content, to keep that bike for a while, but I wanted something a little bit more, something that had more comfort, something that I could tour on. Back in 2009, I rode that Suzuki all the way from my home outside of Louisville to Atlanta, Georgia, over the weekend to a motorcycle roundup they had. And man, on the way back, man, that ride nearly killed me. And it wasn't my back that was hurting so much, it was the seat on that motorcycle. Now, people can say, hey, you could have got a custom seat for that thing. I could have, but the fact that my riding position was compromised, it's not as raked over as a sports bike, but it's got a pretty definite sports aggressive rake to it, compared to something like a Harley Road or a Street King or a Road Glide or Street Glide or something like that where you're sitting upright. And I told myself, I really like to do tours. I really like to ride the motorcycle. I really like riding. And I really want to get something that will allow me to ride longer than a commute to work. Because after that, that's all I rode the bike for, was just back and forth to work on selected days. But I always wanted, my next bike would be something bigger, something that will give me more comfort. Now, you're wondering, why come you didn't get a Harley, or get you a Vulcan, or get you a Honda Valkyrie, or a Honda Shadow, or something like that, or, if you wanted a cruiser or wanting to sit up more upright, why don't you get one of those bikes? Well, I don't know. A lot of people are different, but me, I'm not at that age yet where I feel I need to get a chromed out grandpa bike like that. You know what I mean? Some people like those cruisers, and I'll probably one day have one in my stable. But right now, I bought the bike to lean, not to clean. Throw some hand signals up, bro. The Hendersons had motorcycles. Only $325 back in the day. Yeah, but what was that day? That was 1917. So $325, probably like $30,000 today.
the Harley side. All right. You know this was painful.
What's that?
They believe to be the first motorcycle.
That man, Katie said she would love it if we came by and saw it.
So we're gonna head to Nashville.
Yeah, I would say we need to leave 5
Okay.
just to head up so it's not crazy. Not shoot. I'm saying 5, but what is let me pull over.
Okay.
That I don't know. 'Cause I've seen.
Yeah. Have you seen the movie Easy Rider? It's all right movie for a '70s movie, but that was Henry Fonda's bike. But that's Henry Fonda and Peter Fonda. Dennis Hopper had another Harley, but this was, they would hide their drugs in the gas tank. It was all right. One of those quintessential motorcycle movies that you have to see. Motorcycles.